The great news is that Photopea is already 100% free, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with it the easy way. There is no trial period, no hidden subscription, and you do not need to enter a credit card or create an account to use the full set of tools. That means you can open it, start editing, and use professional features right away. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. The first step is very simple. Open your web browser, whether that is Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, and go to photopea.com. You do not need to download a traditional installer, and you do not need to worry about setting up a large program on your computer. Photopea works directly in your browser, which makes it fast, flexible, and very easy to access from almost any device. Once the website loads, you will immediately see the full Photopea interface. This is where the big advantage comes in. Right away, you have access to the editing workspace, layers, selection tools, text tools, filters, and advanced design features. In other words, you are not getting a limited demo version. You are getting the actual tool ready to use for free. If you want to make Photopea feel more like a regular app, you can also install it as a web app in your browser. In Chrome or Edge, look for the install icon in the address bar or open the browser menu and choose the option to install Photopea. Once installed, it can open in its own window, just like a desktop app, which makes it even easier to launch later. After that, you can pin it to your taskbar or dock if you want one-click access. This is a great tip if you use Photopea often because it saves time and makes the workflow feel much smoother. Since it is browser-based, you can open it anytime without going through a long setup process. Another thing to remember is that Photopea supports a wide range of common file types, so you can jump into editing without complicated preparation. Whether you are working with images, mockups, or layered design files, the platform is built to make the process simple and accessible. So the short answer is this. To get Photopea for free, you just go to photopea.com and start using it. No payment, no account, and no installation required. That is what makes it such a powerful option for designers, students, creators, and anyone who needs a free online editor. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And if you want more software walkthroughs like this, stick around because I'll be covering more free tools and simple setup guides next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.